It's great to have your company this Thursday, the 21st of January. I'm Jessica Ramir, market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, markets were indeed bullish last night for two reasons. Joe Biden being sworn in as the 46th President of the United States with a pledge to keep taxes low until after the pandemic, which supports the US economy and stocks. And secondly, US earnings season continued to pull out the trump card, I guess, if you will. And that saw Netflix shares jump about 17% after they reported better than expected earnings numbers, and subscribers rose to 200 million. And that 17% jump in Netflix shares was the biggest jump in 4 years and took Netflix shares to another all-time high. Separately, I guess in a sign of the times, with much of the world working from home, we saw a little-known sport betting company called Penn National Gaming. They were given an outperform rating by Credit Suisse, with Credit Suisse saying the company could lead the online betting world, and Penn National Gaming shares jumped over 5% as a result. Another betting company, DraftKings, their shares jumped almost 4% after Morgan Stanley upgraded DraftKings in anticipation of an expected 10% jump in quarterly revenue, and that is likely to be announced next month. As for the benchmark index, the US S&P 500, that rose 1.4%. All sectors made gains but financials, while the Nasdaq out of the three major indices rose the most, up 2%. Now, what to watch today? Well, I'd expect the Aussie share market to climb for the third day. The futures are up 0.7%. Now, that means the Aussie share market is likely to hit another new 11-month high, surpassing the record that we hit yesterday. So looking at a micro level, I'd be keeping an eye on drone stocks, because in breaking news, the UAE inked a deal to buy 18 drones from the US. So I'd watch Orbital Corporation, Drone Shield, Electro Optic Systems, EOS is their ticker, and Xtech. And watch local betting companies too. PointsBet specifically, for example, just announced the approval to start online sport betting in Michigan, and more broadly expect tech stocks to follow US equities high. The question is, could Afterpay hit another new all-time high today after BlackRock announced that they invested into the company yesterday? And secondly, could Zip hit another one-month high? Energy stocks likely to do well today because the oil price is up for the second day, up 0.6%. Gold stocks also coming back in focus. That's because the gold price is up 1.6%, and more specifically, Northern Star just reported an 11% jump in December gold quarterly sales, and that's at the upper end of their guidance. And Saracen, another gold miner, reported that they're on track to achieve full-year guidance. More broadly, on the economic horizon, employment numbers are out today at 11:30. 50,000 jobs are expected to be added to the economy, or they were expected to be added in December, that is, and the unemployment rate is tipped to improve and likely to fall to 6.7%. So if the numbers are a surprise and delight and are better than expected, you could expect a rally in banking and finance stocks. As for specific trading ideas that could be worth your look, Shoe Business Accent had its buy rating upgraded by Bell Potter, a new $2.65 target. Gold producer Pantoro also had its buy rating upgraded by Bell Potter with a new 28-cent target. And separately, and last but not least, nickel mines, Centura Capital and Beacon Lighting could be worth a look. They're all giving off strong bullish charting signals, according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Ramir with Bell Direct. Stay safe and happy trading.